Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Melanie and I make a variety of different videos from food hauls to Superdrug hauls, TK Maxx hauls, Boots, ASOS hauls. I also do beauty box unboxings. I also do unboxings of trainers, watches, bags, shoes, and I do beauty boxings. So as you can see from the title, this is the May edition of the ASOS Beauty Box. It's a monthly box that you can buy around the 4th or 5th of the month, and it's normally got makeup or beauty style items in. So I've bought every single box since day one, and I'm going to show you what's in this one. So it started to come in this really cheap box, which is very similar to a cake box. Before that, they used to give them out in really nice boxes. This is the really nice box. It's really well made. It's got this lovely holographic logo. So it's really disappointing that now, for the second month running, it's a cheap box. So I'll show you what's inside. So inside, as always, there is a Go Play card. If you want to pause the video, you can now do so to read this. I believe this box is called the Festival Box, so it's got items in that you may or may not want to use during the festival season. So the first item is this Body On Demand Mermaid Glitter Gel, biodegradable glitter, fish friendly, and it's just like a really gorgeous blue colour. I'm not actually going to a festival this year, so this will probably not get used by me, but if you're going to a festival, it could come in handy. Then, as always, ASOS have snuck in two of their own products, and they're both glitters. This is a glitter pot by ASOS, and in this one is a white iridescent glitter that has got a lilac undertone, if it's showing. The second one is lilac with a blue undertone. If you're wondering what's in the lid, you get a mirror and you also get a wax, so it hopefully sticks. The next item is a Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. I really like the packaging. It's in the shade Lit. I absolutely love the packaging, and this weighs quite a lot, and I think it's the lid. The final item is a MAC lipstick in the shade Lady Danger. I would never normally have picked this colour. It's not the type of colour that I would use, but it came in the box, so even if I layer it with another lipstick, I will use it. So that's everything in the box this month. I'm not entirely happy with it. ASOS keep putting their own makeup in the boxes, which I just think, you know, if they're going to put makeup in maybe one item, but it would be nice to have boxes where there's no ASOS makeup. My favourite item will be the matte lipstick because they are the best. It's not a shade I would buy, so I'm probably going to lay it with another one because it is a very orange toned red, and that definitely isn't my scene. I like the look of the Diamond Crushers by Lime Crime. I will continue buying this box every month just to see what I get, but I don't like the quality of the actual box itself. They used to come in amazing boxes that I could reuse. And that's everything. It's currently sold out, but I will link it below just in case it does come back in stock. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and also there'll be more information about this box on my blog, which is always linked in the description, so if you want to check that out, please do so. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching everyone, bye!